Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You're highly welcome. I appreciate you visiting my channel today. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. I really appreciate your love and support, and I am sending you love. So for today's DIY, we are going to be doing a shea butter and aloe vera hair moisturizer, and we need just a few ingredients to get this done. And right now I'm just transferring the shea butter I have into the bowl. This is half cup of shea butter, and this is the quantity we are working with today. So I'm going to let this melt in the microwave. You can use a double boiler if you feel like. So now this is the melted shea butter, and in here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yes, half cup of shea butter melted and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So this coconut oil is going to get deep into your follicles and stimulate your hair growth. It's going to prevent dandruff. It's going to moisturize your hair. It's going to add softness to your hair. It's going to prevent a dry and flaky scalp, and it's also going to prevent hair breakage, split ends, and contribute to your hair length. So next I'm going to add some essential oils, and the first I'll be adding is lavender essential oil, and I'll add like 15 drops to this mixture here. And I'll add another essential oil, which is a peppermint oil, and I'll still add like 15 drops into the oil. So now that I've added everything, I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes so it will solidify a little bit, and then I'll get whipping. So now I'm going to just take time to prepare the aloe vera while the shea butter is in the fridge, and I'll just take a few chunks of aloe vera. These slices are just about enough, and I'll just quickly prepare it. I didn't have any aloe vera saved or stored in the fridge, so I'm making a fresh one. Besides, I just like to do everything fresh at the go. So I'm just preparing the aloe vera, and the presence of this aloe vera in this hair butter will help strengthen and condition your hair. It will promote your hair growth. If your hair is the curly type, it's going to help smoothen your curls. It's going to lock in moisture. It's going to reduce frizziness. It will help detangle your hair. It will control your greasy hair, and it will also take care of any itchy scalp in case you have an itchy scalp, and it also repairs hair strands. So after 30 minutes, I've taken out the shea butter mixture from the fridge, and this is what it looks like. So right now I'm ready to start whisking this. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes in the fridge, and I'm going to start whipping this, and after a few seconds I'll add in the aloe vera gel. So you want to start whisking at a slow speed, okay, and just in readiness to add in the aloe vera. So after like 30 seconds of whisking, I'll turn off my mixer and add in the aloe vera gel. So guys, I went on ahead to prepare the aloe vera off camera, and this recipe requires just a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. So this is the measurement. So this is a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to add it into the shea butter. Guys, just look at how jelly this aloe vera is. Just imagine all the moisture it will add to your hair. Just imagine the goodness it will bring to your hair. Trust me guys, your hair will appreciate the vitamin and richness of this butter. Your hair will not remain the same after applying this consistently for a few weeks, and I am not kidding. You know, shea butter prevents hair breakage, it reduces scalp irritation, it is full of essential fatty acids. Shea butter contains vitamins A, E, and F, penetrates the hair scarf. Shea butter heals eczema, it is an antioxidant, and it heals the scalp as well. So trust me that the mixture of shea butter, aloe vera, coconut oil, and those two essential oils is just the bomb, and this is what your hair needs. So guys, after whisking for a while, you turn off your mixer, scrape it, whisk again until you get a fluffy consistency, and it depends on what you want though, but I was okay with the consistency I got in the end. So as soon as it gets to its fluffy state, you can now transfer it into your container. So at this point I was okay with whisking, and I'm just going to transfer that into the container I'll be using. So this mixture was just equal to 200 mils. So this is a 200 mils container, and it will just fit in perfectly. So if you have a piping bag, you can use that to transfer your butter into your container, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use my spoon just to fill in this container. So trust me guys, the key to healthy hair is to retain as much moisture as you can. So this butter is sure going to lock in moisture and hydrate your hair for a weekly maintenance. So guys, try this butter and see guys, when I apply this on my hair, or whenever I apply this butter on my hair, I just like the feel it gives to my hair. It moisturizes my hair, it hydrates my hair, like the feel is just amazing. And trust me, once your hair is well moisturized, there's no way it will break, there's no way you complain of hair loss, no dandruff, no nothing. So guys, this is what I have. Try this hair butter guys, and your hair will not remain the same. So this is all I had, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on the skin. Guys, just look at that, just look at how shiny it is. Just imagine that all this moisture will be in your hair, and trust me, your hair will just, it will transform to a better state. So guys, that's all about today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.